Myself Surya Narayan. I have completed my schooling from Ellen Feldman Public School and currently pursuing my Bachelor's in Economics from University College. The most important thing that we should be teaching young girls and boys today should be leadership. Nothing is more important than taking up space in this society and cementing yourself. Today I am so proud to introduce to you Task IC, the very first product launched by Leogal Private Limited. What is Task IC? Task IC is a 24/7 online platform with more than 25 plus co-academic activities which can be related to almost everything that's happening in the world. You can participate in all these events and understand and realize what are your greatest potential and make use of everything that's coming on your way with this online platform. And finally, when you're participating and getting a lot of experience from this, finally you can understand where you are or what are your greatest potential. And be it the armed forces, be it the politics, be it the media and entrepreneurship, or whichever field you're interested in, you could find yourself by spending time in this Task IC online platform. And you can be a strong, independent and an individual and voice your choice to bring in some change in yourself and also bring in some change in what's happening around you. Now you might be wondering, why am I talking a lot about Task IC? Well, I was given a wonderful opportunity to work with my little knowledge that I have for Task IC. And the experience, the exposure and what I'm experiencing from Task IC and Leogal as a whole cannot be expressed with words. And now it's time for you to make use of this. It is time for you to flaunt your skill, embrace it and create your own story. Because nothing is more important than being an individual, just framing yourself into a personality at this young age. Because you are in that golden age where you're getting immense opportunity where you can find yourself in. And Task IC is one such incredible platform which is also unique and not common among every place. So you getting such an opportunity is such a great thing. And take Task IC as a purpose of your life that heaven throws to your lap by a destiny. Because the more you make use of Task IC, the more you grow, the more you get experienced and the more you get into a personality. Because you all might be having stage fear or maybe you cannot face a lot of audience in person, but being in an online platform, you don't have any kind of, or you're not borne by any kind of tensions. So make use of this platform. And yeah, this is your school life and this is such a wonderful opportunity. So make sure that this is a golden door that is present in front of you. And if you can open that door, just travel through it, no matter what is behind that door. Because you are worth it. That's what is important. So what I have to say is, get ready for this adventure. Travel yourself in Task IC, be a part of Task IC, participate in every event. Not just only, okay, this is my event, I can only participate for this is only what I'm good at. But nothing like that. Participate in every event which is in the Task IC website. And this is going to be a once in a lifetime opportunity too, because when you cross an age of 17 or a school life, you are born to a lot of career focused things. So now it is like school life is once in a lifetime opportunity, so you will not get what you have passed through. So make use of every single second, make use of this opportunity and you are going to have a great time here. Maybe you might commit mistakes. Even when I'm talking to you, I am committing a lot of mistakes, but that should not bother you, that should not matter, because you learn from mistakes. You are not perfect when you're born. As Muniba Basari said, we all are perfectly imperfect and that's perfectly alright. So make mistakes, learn from that mistakes. Even I as a person is learning. Even the entire team of Task IC is learning. So you can also be a part of it and create your own story. Thank you very much.